No eyes. They're firing at us through the bush. 100, about, that might be 80 yards out where I'm shooting. See him? See a shadow? Oh, he's right by that tree. 80 yards out by 12 o'clock. I want to get behind that tree if you guys can cover fire. Rushing. Oh! He's right there. He's right at my 12 on the ridge, on the creek bed. Take him. And Dex. We're pushed back. That was a good one.
That too damn well. We could.
No eyes. Oh shit.
Contact behind!
Fall back, fall back, fall back. Fall back all the way back. Don't waste them. Back in, fall back. Cover fire. First off. That one. That was long range. Ooh. Yeah, did you see that range? Just stay down. They'll come to us. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. Did you see that?
the night. All the people that you see in the night, and all the dreams up into the air. The wind that breezes
And the tree line, we fucked. All of the team. We fucked with the last two. Just wait for him to unplug. Oh shit. Ready? I think you got me. I don't know. Back in! Hit! Back in! Hit! Back in! Gun hit! Hit! Back in! Hit! Back in! I believe all of Utah's coming for me.
Thief, I said, I'll tell you all the story about the joker and the thief, I said.
This is such an eerie feeling.
Oh, hit! Back in! Oh, hit! Good shot.
Right.
You gonna take it? He took it. Oh, my mic dropped out.
Wow, what a nice fucking this.
Yeah, you got lucky. Oh, not really, I guess.
They've all been glad, man. We got it.
Sorry, Doc, we let you down. Because you good game. We got one more guy?
I think, like,
Okay.
oh no.
Let you down, Doc, sorry.
Oh no, look.
Oh, what the fuck?
What's your man?